So alright guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can use 16GB RAM on your Infinix Hot Pro. Here is my Infinix Hot Pro and I wanted to show you that how you can use this on like 16 gig. Basically it's not a 16 gig guys, trust me, this is only like swap memory. You will get like your ROM as RAM. Alright, go to setting and go to my phone and then choose or tap on RAM. And from here the XOS is using MemFusion, which is like virtual RAM. You can set up the virtual RAM as 5 gig or 8 gig. On default, whenever you guys unbox the phone, you will get like 5 gig of virtual RAM. Now you can expand this to 8 gigabyte. To modify, you need to restart this. Just restart this phone and it will go to like 8 plus 8. That's a 16 gigabyte, which is claimed on the box, but basically it is not a real RAM guys. It is like a swap memory. It will only use whenever your Infinix wanted to use. And keep in mind guys, you won't see like bigger difference when you just expand the ROM size as a RAM, because you need to use a physical RAM, not a virtual ROM RAM. Now you can see that we have set the virtual RAM as 8 gigabyte, which in paper it is literally saying there is 16 GB of RAM, which is misleading. I hope Infinix noticed this, and from future days they should not be using like this kind of misleading titles on the box. And there you go guys, this is how you can expand your RAM using a ROM. Thanks for watching. Peace.